Ashar and I am teaching you Maths of NCERT class 8 exercise 3.3. So let's see the third part of question number 2. Here telling, just look here. We have to find the value of x, y, z. You know, just look here. What is this? What is this denoting? It is denoting that this is of 90 degree. This is an angle of 90 degree. So just look here. Angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and angle 1 is equal to x. Angle 1 is equal to x. You know why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. VOA. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, x is equal to also 90 degree. You know. Now look here. This is 90 degree. This is 30 degree, and this is y. So let's find the value of y here. This is a triangle. Okay. So now x हम करेंगे x plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Which property is being used here? That is angle sum property of triangle. Triangle की angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay. What is the value of x here? 90 degree. Y? हमें नहीं पता. We don't know that. This is 30 degree. And 1, that is equal to 180 degree. 90 and 30, 120 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. This is the value of y. Now, just we have to find the value of z. Look here. Suppose name it A, B, C, D. Okay. Suppose A, B and C, D, these are two parallel lines. And B, D is a transversal, which is cutting AB and intersecting AB and CD at point B and D. Okay. Therefore, angle Y is equal to angle Z. You know how? Because alternate interior angles of parallelograms are equal. You would have read in class 7. Okay. Just look here. Let me teach you here now. Next one. Here. Since AB and CD. Since AB and CD are parallelogram, AB और CD parallelogram है, and BD is a transversal. BD क्या है? Transversal है. BD is a transversal. BD transversal. So what will happen? Y is equal to Z. Alternate interior angle. Therefore, Y is equal to. So Y is equal to Z. You know why? Alternate interior angles. हम लिखने करेंगे alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. So what is the value of y here? 60 degree. Therefore, z is equal to 60 degree by alternate interior angle. So here x is equal to 90 degree, y is equal to 60 degree, and z is equal to also 60 degree. Let's see the fourth part of question number 2 here. Here, just look here. We have to find the value of x, y, z. Just look here. These and these two angles are opposite angles, and opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay, just look here. You know, just name it A, B, C, D. You know, just look here. Since A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, एक parallelogram है. You know, angle C is equal to 80 degree. Okay, angle A is equal to C. Angle C, how? You know, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles. We are writing करेंगे opposite angles. Why? Opposite angles means opposite angles are equal. Therefore, y is equal to also 80 degree. Okay. Now look here. This y and this angle A plus angle B, they form adjacent angles, and adjacent angles are supplementary. Now, अब हम करेंगे एंगल A प्लस एंगल B को लेंगे, और एंगल A और B क्या है? एडजस्टेड एंगल्स हैं, और एडजस्टेड एंगल्स हमारे होते हैं सप्लीमेंट्री. व्हाट इज A? Y. व्हाट इज B? X. 180 डिग्री. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ Y here? 80 डिग्री. X. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ X? We don't know, so we have to find it. 80 degree. Therefore, X is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. Now look here. Now we have to find the value of Z. Suppose it to be angle 1. अब हम इसे angle 1 suppose कर लेते हैं. Okay. This is angle 1. Now you look here. y x 80 degree plus angle y is equal to 360 degree. Because all the angles of a quadrilateral is, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So write down. Again हम क्या करेंगे, y plus x plus 80 degree plus angle 1. This is angle 1 we have taken here. Angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is the value of y here? 80 degree, x 100 degree plus 80 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Look here. 80, 80, 160. 160 and 100. It means 260 degree. 260 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Once again, I will have to rub this picture, this figure. Look here. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree. That is equal to 100 degree. Okay. This is the value of 100 degree. Now we have to find the value of z. और वहाँ पे z की value भी find करनी थी. Okay. You know it was like this. ऐसा था ना. यहाँ पे हमने angle 1, this angle 1 we have support here, but it was z. Okay. So what is the value of z? They are forming linear pair ना. ये दोनों linear pair form कर रहे हैं. अब हम करेंगे. Okay. Similarly, अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसी तरह से angle 1 plus angle z. Angle 1 plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. They are forming linear pair. क्या बना रहे हैं ये? 180 degree हो linear pair. What is the value of angle 1? Angle 1 की value कितनी है? 260 degree. Sorry, 100 degree. 100 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair. So therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. Got it?